welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Bank of America online banking passcode without having your debit card, follow these step-by-step instructions to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bank of America website. Click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. On the login page, click on the Forgot Passcode link located below the password field. This will redirect you to the account recovery page. Step 3. Enter your online ID in the designated field and click Continue to proceed with the password reset process. Step 4. Select the verification method you prefer from the available options. You can choose to receive a verification code via text message to your registered mobile number, email to your registered email address, or answer security questions you previously set up. Step 5. Complete the verification process by entering the code you received or answering your security questions correctly. Step 6. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new passcode. Choose a strong passcode that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for maximum security. Step 7. Confirm your new passcode by entering it again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly. Step 8. Click Submit to save your new passcode. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your passcode has been successfully reset and you can now log into your account using your new credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.